So, dilemma of you working right now at a job and then you're thinking about, I want to do this, I want to write, I want to do this, right? So, that dilemma that you're in, you can change this dilemma by focusing on one thing and only one thing, which is only focus on what you really feel happy about. Don't think this is as good as it gets. That's not true. I want you to write down exactly how you want your bosses to be, how do you want your coworkers to be, and do a future scripting about it. That also applies to your future reality that you want to create into your present reality. We did it with the boss because the boss is always there Monday to Friday. The next thing was to do it with the coworkers because the coworkers just piss you off. So let's write something awesome about them. So we can change our reality. But then you just start writing like what will be awesome to you. I am traveling and everyone's reading my book and my book is sold to over like 1 million people. From the book, I'm building a course. Just giving you examples. That's what authors do these days. So I want you to really sit down and do future scripting about what you truly want, and don't think this is just something that may happen. You can totally, if you can envision it, we are going to use the magic of the non-physical dimension to bring it into your reality. And this is all scientific. You write down exactly what you truly want, which really will be awesome, and you can add whatever you want on there. So I have a list of like 15 things in my future reality. You can write 20 things, 30 things, doesn't matter. But I want you to focus on at least 10 to 15, which is very, very important to you. That is something like your dream goal. It should include your work, include your home, include your finances, because that's what is most important to people. Of course, include your health as well. We gotta have clarity over what you truly want. And don't include things in your reality you don't want. If you don't want to work till the age of 62, don't. I know I'm not going to work after the age of 40. I'm going to retire at the age of 40 because I don't want to work after 40. That's because I've been working for so long, since I was 10. It's like almost 26 years I'm working. So I don't want to work. I want to retire by 40. So I keep saying it. I'm financially free by 40. I'm financially free by 40. I keep saying that to myself. So you pick a date. And it should come from within. And don't think ifs and buts and how and this and that. Don't think that. That's where the faith comes in. So, whom do you have faith in? It could be Jesus Christ. It could be an entity. It could be universe. It could be some person. It could be some person that's dead. It could be someone you believe in, the Buddha, the Christ, anybody. Because this faith is very important in this work. If you don't have faith, it's not going to help. It's not going to work. In order for you to get a sense of God or consciousness, and especially if you can't feel it in your outer reality because God is still within us, right? Start meditating if you can, and you want to get up to 30 minutes of meditation because you want to get to a point where your legs go numb. Even if you're sitting, if you're comfortable because of your knees, if you have like knee issues or whatever, or if you don't want to sit on the ground, that's okay. You can sit on the chair with the feet on the ground. Do not cross your legs. Keep your back straight. 30 minutes. Your legs may go numb within 20 to 30 minutes or may not go numb. The whole point of the legs getting numb is when the legs go numb, then the thighs go numb, then the stomach goes numb, the chest goes numb, the entire body goes numb. Because that's gonna take you to the other world. And when we get to the other world, we can bring in things into our reality quicker and faster. So step one is we meditate. We meditate for 20 to 30 minutes. And if on the weekend you have time, go up to 45 minutes. Step two, stay still throughout the entire practice. You cannot move your body because if you're moving your body, then the flow is not constant because you just moved. The flow will only come to us when you're not moving the body. So we're going to practice stillness. Step three, your back has to always straight, chin up, eyes closed. Where are you going to concentrate during this time? First couple of minutes, you're going to concentrate on your breath. After that, you're going to go into the center part of your head, more towards the back of your head. We'll just sit there, we'll just concentrate on that area. We'll keep breathing as we're concentrating in the center part of the head. And we'll just stay. And when you stay, 30 minutes crosses, 35 minutes, 40 minutes. See if you can stay till 40 minutes. If you can't do that, then you have passed. Then you will notice that your body, your lower body has gotten numb. When the lower body gets numb, don't move. So there'll be an urge to move the legs because the legs are hurting. You need to start working on not moving even though the legs are hurting. What will happen is if you're sitting cross-legged, if the knee hurts, the mind will say, move your leg, move your leg, move your leg. You want to say, I'm not going to move. Let the pain happen. Sometimes the pain is very excruciating where you have to move your leg. That's why I want you to just try this with sitting position and see if this works in sitting position. But keep your lower part of the body with blanket on so that you don't get cold. Because as the body gets numb, the body gets cold. So you gotta wear layers of clothing. But if the knees are hurting from in 5 minutes, the knees are hurting, that's not the meditation position for you. We're gonna practice first meditating and stilling the body, becoming from a body to no body, because you won't feel your body. There will be a time that will happen in your meditation. When that happens, you are expanding. The energy starts expanding and you'll feel that you don't even feel your body anymore. When you don't feel your body anymore, that is the feeling I want you to hone that skill. You cannot get there if you don't do the 40 minutes of meditation. It's actually 45 minutes exact, where everything gets numb in the body. Then you become a nobody and you become no mind. When you become a nobody and a no mind, the energy which you're feeling outside of you, you can start thinking and bringing on what you truly want to happen in your life. Then you bring on, you want to be that author, you want to have that house, you want to have this, all the stuff that you are working on in your future, you bring it in during that time.